So one of the things we're going to have to do in this chapter is we're going to have to figure out how to find the equation of a line if we're given a graph. Now assume all my units are 1, right? So if I go over 1, that's 1 unit instead of like I'm counting by tens or something. I've got 2 lines here. I've got a solid line and I've got a dotted line. And we're going to find the equation of them both. Let's start with a solid line. It's a little bit, hopefully a little bit simpler. It looks like it has like a positive slope because left to right it's increasing. And our y-intercept should also be positive. And those are the 2 key parts of it. It's y equals mx plus b, where this is your y-intercept and this is your slope. So when I'm talking about my solid line, I need to find my slope and I need to find my y-intercept. Like I said, the y-axis, straight up and down, that's this one. And the x-axis is like that. So where this line crosses the y-axis is right here. That's a point at 0, comma, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4. So my y-intercept is right here at 4. I need to find my slope. So I just pick 2 points where it crosses, and I can pick any 2 points. I'm just going to pick these 2 points. Pick any points on the entire line, won't matter. What I need to figure out is slope is just rise over run. Right? This is the change in the y, another way to think about it. The change in the y and the change in the x. Because the x controls left and right, the y controls up and down. So that's the exact same way of thinking about it. From a graphic, it's a little bit more intuitive to think about it as rise over run. So how much do we rise up? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up 8. And we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 6. So the rise over run for this one is up 8 over 6. Now we can reduce that because they're both even. We can divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2 and get 4/3. It's the same thing. So our slope for our first line is 4/3 x. Now I want to find the slope and y-intercept of the dotted line. Now, same thing. It's going to be y equals our slope and our y-intercept. So we need to find those 2 parts of it. Let's start with the y-intercept. This time it's down 1, 2, 3. It's right here. So it's at -3. And then we need to find our slope. I'm just going to choose, well, I'll use this point again, our y-intercept. And this point looks like it crosses pretty good. So I go down 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So rise over run. That will be -1/5. That one won't reduce, so I can just leave it like that. And those are the equations of those 2 lines.